So welcome to the project demonstration of dry hand wash with forward disinfection along with timer checking. So in this project we made some advancements if the person bring out the hands without sanitization within that time, then it will give the buzzer to indicate it the hands are not disinfected properly. So here the same two sanitizers placed inside this box along with UV light also for disinfection purpose, and along with one more ultrasonic sensor, the HVS-3041. Ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the hand, and also once the hand is detected, the system will switch on the sanitizers along with the UV lights till the time of the set time. So 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. So before we need to set the time, and when we place the hands, it will switch on the system for a particular time, and in between the time, if the hands spring out, then it is noted as the sanitization was incomplete, and the so-called status will be displayed on the LCD screen along with buzzer will be indicated. Will provide the audible alerts. So here the connections are, this is a disconnection system. So we can connect this female to male, and in reverse male to female from the box, and one more same 4-pin connectors. So we need to connect these 3 connections initially. After connections made successfully, then we can execute this project. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the input modules like ultrasonic sensor and control buttons to the UNO board. So ultrasonic sensor interfaced at 8 and 9 pins, and these 4 control buttons interfaced at A0, A1, A2, A3 pins, and LCD at pin number 2 to pin number 7, and buzzer at 13th pin, and these 2 relays are 10 and 11 pins. So these 2 are electromagnetic relays which are used to control the one relay is for UV light and another is a relay for sanitization, fog disinfectors, and the whole system getting the power supply from this 230 volts input, and that is the AC. So the transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and that is given input to this regulated power supply board. This power supply board will convert the 12 volts AC to 5 volts regulated power supply. So after this board will get the 5 volts constant regulated power supply, and once we provided that 5 volts power supply to this Arduino, it start reading input from the input modules SR04 and these 4 control buttons. So initially when we switch on the gate, we need to set the time first, how much of time the disinfection should be done. So let us see the demonstration. So just after switching on the gate, then we can see the welcome message on the LCD screen. Now the time is 0 seconds. We can set for hold the button till the timer displayed. So 5, 10, 15 and 20 seconds. So let us see the demonstration with 10 seconds. So I'll place the hands. So the sanitizing on. So when I bring out the hands, then displaying like incomplete, and after placing my hand back, then the buzzer is off condition, and it will complete the timing for 10 seconds. So we can see inside the box, and after that it will display that's completed. 5 seconds. So it consists of UV light and sanitization. Right.